are 10 body lotions that would help repair or fix your bleach damaged skin without looking darker than you were, because a whole lot of people wants to stop skin bleaching but without going dark. How do you achieve this if you no longer need to use lightening body lotion? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? This is your first time. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I thought to give you guys 10 body lotions that would repair your skin, especially for those with bleach damaged skin. I was going through my YouTube studio a few days ago and I came across a comment, somebody requesting that I film a video about body lotions or body creams to use for bleach damaged skin. Basically, body creams that can actually repair a broken skin. What does a bleach damaged skin looks like? A bleach damaged skin is a skin that looks uneven. Some parts are dark, others are light, and even some are red. Possibly I'm going to leave a picture on the screen, but I'm sure you already have these concerns, which is why you're watching this video. Now, for trying to repair a bleach damaged skin can be a bit tough, especially for people who do not want to go dark. So I've prepared for you body lotions you can actually use to repair your skin. You're going to have a very radiant finish and your skin is going to be all even. Yes, you're not going to go darker achieving this. So because this is going to be a bit lengthy, we're going to delve straight into it really quickly. First things first, it is one thing to have a problem, it is another thing to accept that you have a problem. What do you need to start doing if you already know what is causing your bleach damaged skin? Obviously is to stop using whatever it is you're using. But in this purpose, because I said you're not going to go darker than you were, we're going to introduce a method on how you can actually detach from using your lightening body lotions. Now, if your lightening body lotions or your whitening body lotion does not contain steroid, hydroquinone, hidden mercury that is destroying your skin, this is how to detach from it. What you need to do is you want to skip to using your lightening body lotions 4 to 5 times a week and introduce these 10 body lotions I'm going to be introducing to you. If you have like green veins, dark spot, white spot, or even stretch mark due to your current skin quality, these products are going to help fade them away. You don't need to introduce body scrubs if you want to repair your skin barrier. Your skin is already too sensitive to accept anything greasy or anything hard, be it sugar scrub, salt scrub, or chemical exfoliant. Don't introduce anyone at this point. Having said this, the first body lotion you need to introduce in your body routine, Skin Success Palmers is a real gold when it comes to skin repair. It's a very good product. I recommend this any day, anytime to anyone who comes to me for bleach damaged skin. The first thing that comes to mind is Skin Success Palmers Fit Milk. Like, you can use the soap as well as the body cream. You're definitely going to love your skin. It's going to repair your skin. It's not going to darken your skin, obviously. It helps to brighten the skin as well. But what it does mostly is repairing the skin, clearing of dark spots, scars, acne, and all that. Like if you have stretch marks, this is definitely going to help fade it away. It also helps to fade out green veins. It's a skin correcting body lotion, mainly to help correct the skin, especially for issues like this. It also helps to calm irritation. It's not so expensive. Prior to this time, this was selling for 4,000. Currently, I'm not so sure of how much it is currently selling for because prices varies based on location, but I'm sure you're definitely going to get it under 10,000 or 10,000 naira, nothing less, nothing more. The second one on my list I'm going to be recommending is Vaseline Advanced Repair Body Lotion. Vaseline has varieties that repairs the skin. This advanced one is the one to go for if you have a bleach damaged skin, if you have like really discolorated skin. Fanta, Coke, and Reddish Cake has like Chapman color. It's an advanced repair body lotion. It has been formulated with rich ingredients that helps to lock in moisture, soothe the skin, smooth the skin, give you a radiant finish, like basically brightening up your skin and repairing your skin barrier. It is a very good for this purpose. It gives this lasting hydration and is suitable for sensitive skin. Third is Ultra Repair Cream. This cream is not your regular body lotion. It does not pop up every time, but anytime it pops up, know that there is a case, like there is a serious case. Like this cream, the formulators of this product were very deliberate. Like go out there and fix broken skin, fix damaged skin. It retains enough moisture. It has ingredients that helps to calm irritation and itchy skin. Yes, it is that beautiful. Fourth on my list is Medix 5.5 Retinol. Of course, there's no way I'm going to film a video like this without including this. This Medix 5.5 is very beautiful. Number one is very lightweight. It comes in a 500 ml bottle, so it's obviously going to last you for some time. It penetrates seamlessly. It repairs the skin. I told you guys before that ingredients to look out for in body creams that are believed to repair the skin include retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E, aloe vera, coconut oil, almond oil, and the list goes on and on. And this retinol has retinol as base ingredient, which helps to target crepey skin and promote elasticity on the skin. So if your skin has loose elasticity, this is going to help tighten up your skin. It also has vitamin E, which serves as anti-inflammatory and nourishing properties, going to help calm your irritation or irritated skin really well. You should incorporate this into your skincare routine. It also has ferulic acid, which helps to promote firmer skin by fighting visible sun damage. If your skin is reddish, look out for skincare product that contains ferulic acid. Medis 5.5 has deliberate ingredients for skin concerns. Like I said, it comes in a lightweighted consistency that does not sit heavily on your skin, because your skin is already irritated. You don't need to irritate it furthermore by using heavy weighted skincare products. Next up on my list is E45 body cream. This is very beautiful. Don't go for the one that contains vitamin C. What you need is the plain one. This one on the screen is going to help repair your damaged skin. It helps calm irritated skin effortlessly, visibly brighten up your skin. It's not so expensive. I think it's selling for 12 to 14,000 naira. If you are on a budget, please go for Nivea Express Hydration Body Lotion. This is a hydrating body lotion. It also helps to repair the skin. Anything that promises to hydrate your skin would repair your skin barrier. Nivea products are very affordable, yet do so much for the skin. Better still, you can settle for the one that has avocado. I'm going to leave it on the skin. This also is very beautiful. Up next on my list is CeraVe moisturizing body lotion. There is no how, like, posterity will not forgive me if I don't mention this product. This is beautiful. When you hear repair, you hear CeraVe. When you hear moisture retention, you hear CeraVe. When you hear, in fact, anything about skin issues, go for CeraVe. You're not sure of any other one that I've listed, you should be sure with CeraVe. It's a body product that speaks for itself. Also give you absolute value for your money, getting people complimenting your skin. It has been formulated with rich ingredients, like high concentration ingredients that would help blend your skin really well. Even if your skin is not damaged, you don't have a bleach damaged skin, you can just have this in your skincare routine. Use it as your AM body routine. You're definitely going to love it. And just limit your lightening body lotions for night time, so you don't end up with a reverse effect. You're going to help protect reactions you would have gotten from your other skincare products. That is the advantage of having these skincare products or these creams in your skincare routine. That of the way, the 8th or 7th one on my list is Dove Restoring Body Lotion. See here, let me tell you guys something. With Dove Restoring Body Lotion and the shower gel, what you're going to get is instant hydration, instant skin repair. Your skin is going to firm up. Your skin is going to look even, smooth, very radiant and glowy. That is what you get. Having a Dove Restoring Body Lotion in your skincare routine is more like, I'm ready for this. This product should be selling for like 6,000 naira. That's the range this product is selling for. Then imagine combining it with their body wash, the one that contains avocado, almond, or even aloe vera. You're going to love your skin. Like, you're going to have people complimenting your skin. You're going to move from reddish or bleach damaged skin to a radiant, glowy, beautiful, even skin tone. That is what you're going to get if you introduce this particular one. It is very affordable. Please lay your hands on this particular one if you are on a budget. The next one on my list that I'm really certain about, that I just recommended to somebody, is Jogging Soothing Aloe Body Lotion. This is beautiful. Like a month ago, I recommended a product to somebody, lightening combo to somebody who came for consultation, and she loved it, but there's something she complained about, and then I had to add this into her routine. That is why sometimes when people come to me for recommendation, I try my best to, as much as I want to recommend a lightening combo for you guys, I try to also, like, introduce you to a moisturizing body lotion, like a body lotion that is not for brightening, like the one that aims to moisturize the skin. Do you understand? Because I know that majority of the times, a lot of factors can actually cause a product to react the other way around, which is badly to your skin. So in order to stay on the safe side, I kind of try to introduce a moisturizing body lotion, but a lot of people would not want to buy the idea because they feel it's going to make them go dark. So if you have a body routine that is currently working for you, lightening body routine that is currently working for you, just introduce a body lotion, a moisturizing body lotion. You're definitely going to love yourself. You're going to thank yourself for doing that. So it's going to stop the adverse reaction you would have gotten from other skincare products. It's made with aloe vera as well as cucumber extract. It's very mild and soft. It helps retain moisture and is also suitable for sensitive skin. Last but not the least is Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Body Lotion. I have the retinol one, I have vitamin C one. You can go for either the retinol one or hyaluronic one for this purpose, because what you're aiming at is repair. So when you hear hyaluronic acid, you hear moisture retention. When you hear retinol, you hear firming, like anti-aging. Any of these two would definitely pass for this purpose. They are very, very good and are very, very mild for sensitive skin. It will repair, restore, and also hydrate your skin. A plus from me to you is using your baby lotion. If you are a mother and you're having discoloration, your skin barrier has been compromised, please introduce your baby lotion. Like, the easiest route is introducing your baby body lotion. This is the amino baby secret that my baby is currently using, and you guys, I've been trying this out. It is very, very nice, very, very lightweighted. It sinks in deeply. It just goes into your skin and sits pretty. The one thing that off me about this lotion is the fact that it smells divine. I look forward to always bathing my baby because, like, I look forward to my baby bathing time because she smells divine after a shower. Like, if sometimes the truth is, sometimes even at night I go in with this because I want to wake up to a glowy, beautiful skin. I want to wake up smelling divine. It has long-lasting fragrance. It is that nice. So if you don't have option, like if you don't have money to introduce a moisturizer in your skincare routine, thank me later. Any one you have with you, use it. Make sure that it's very, very moisturizing. You're definitely going to love it. It is very beautiful. How you can actually use these body lotions in order for you not to go dark is that all you need to do is gradually detaching from your lightening body lotion, especially if they don't contain mercury, steroids, or hydroquinone. Gradually detach from them. Like I said in the beginning of this video, use your lightening body lotions. Limit to using them 3 to 4 times a week, only at night, and then use these moisturizers during the day. And after a month, you want to completely discontinue your lightening body lotion and introduce brightening body lotion. Note, brightening body lotions. Brightening body lotions would not contain glutathione. Brightening body lotion would not contain like high concentration of lightening ingredients. So brightening body lotion basically would contain vitamin C, kojic acid, maybe on a mild percentage, because there are kojic acid lotions that lightens the skin excessively. So please go for brightening body lotions, like lotions that just mainly for skin brightening. Start using those at night and these other body lotions during the day. That way you're not going to go dark. And yes, after 1 month, that is the time to start introducing an exfoliant, a physical exfoliant, sugar scrub. Do that once every week and then gradually graduate or proceed to using twice weekly. That way you're not going to strip your skin with over exfoliation. You're not going to irritate your skin furthermore. You're just going to have a very, very beautiful skin. Okay, so you don't need to use any harsh chemical products at this point in time. And I'm telling you that in the space of 3 months, you're going to come back here to this video telling me how beautiful and how helpful this video was to you. So if you've watched up until this point, please just leave me a love emoji. Yes, that's when I would know people that watch up until this point. The red love emoji. Subscribe if you've not done that. Share and like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Your video suggestions are very, very much welcome. Bye.